Hi guys, today we're starting a series where I'm going to be judging, hold up, that's probably too loud. Today we're starting a series where I'm going to be judging every single tier 5 for a monkey that I have. In every episode of this series, I will be judging one monkey. Now some of the monkeys I don't have all the upgrades for, like the what? Like, some of them, but some of them I also don't have any tier 5s for, like the super monkey. Today we're going to be just, the old Dart monkey, because why not? See you there. These episodes will talk about cross-pathing, and we're gonna start with the Ultra Juggernaut. Just look at this. Pretty powerful. But not really on this map. If you get quick shots, then it'll be way better attack-wise, but still not good enough. And if you get him enhanced eyesight, then he is good range-wise, and he can pop every single type of balloon. Not only can he do this, but he has a lot of range too. Which can actually pop a Moab instead of having faster firing. So I recommend you get the top and bottom paths. In this map, it can pop a Moab and it can see every single thing. Also, did I mention well, it kind of doesn't show. Ugh. I need it to show. Hold up. Did I mention that? What? What? It doesn't. Okay, it doesn't. Look, it bounces off things. Okay, next one. Alright, this one's easy. The Plasma Monkey Fan Club one sucks. Yeah, it's really cool that you can turn every single 10, or actually 11 in total, monkeys into plasma monkeys. But it costs so much that I feel like instead of having it as an ability, you can have permanent plasma monkeys, like 11 permanent plasma monkeys instead. And yeah, I think the triple shot thing is kind of cool. But when it turns into super monkey or plasma monkey, it loses the triple shot. Which kind of don't make sense since it has 3 eyeglasses. But so like I never get this path. If I was doing a challenge where I use one of every monkey and I got the worst path for every monkey, this would be the path for the Dart monkey. Next! Finally, there is the Crossbow Master, which is super good. Look at this. Moab. Look at this. Look at this Moab. Look, it can see it from over there. Boom. Easy Moab. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see. How about 10 Moabs? Easy. How about 20 Moabs? A little harder, but still easy. How about 30 Moabs? It can pop 30 Moabs on itself with no cross-pathing. And the best thing about it, since it has such good attack speed and pierce, you don't need to cross-path, saving you a bit of money, but it's still when you add it to a lot, considering that the upgrade costs aren't a range of stuff and it's a precise number, that can save you monkey money if you're gonna continue. If you want to get Sarbama and you're just the amount of money these two cost short, And I have to say it. The Crossbow Master, the best. This one had to cross pass to beat one Moab. This one sucks in general, and this one can beat 30 Moabs without cross passing. It's obvious. It's obvious, and it's not even the most costliest upgrade in the game. It costs a little bit more than the Prince of Darkness. I'm gonna have to give it to the Crossbow Master. Bye, guys!